Hello guys, today this is my first unboxing video. So this is a book called Goosebumps. Welcome to Dead House. So here's I am just waiting for this book only. So this is a bookmark. I've got this one, Bookish Santa. Hey, one more. There's one more bookmark. Wow, it's just an awesome. Let me look at that page for you. A man and Josh aren't too sure about the old house they have just moved into. It's spooky and probably haunted, and their neighbor Dogfall is pretty creepy too. Their parents don't understand them. You will get used to it. They say, go out, make some new friends. So guys, this was our video. Please you can buy this book. Please hope you enjoyed the book. So it's the #1 book. So hope you liked it. Give it a subscribe this channel, and you can buy this one also. It's of 3.50. So for today, bye.